Now let us discuss what converse is for the conditional statement. Now definition. The converse of a given condition is a new condition formed by interchanging hypothesis, very simple thing, and conclusion as the given condition. Now for example we are having, suppose, not example we are going to take later on. Now if P then Q is the given conditional, then P implies Q is the conditional. The converse will be, now here the converse will be this part, what it will be? If Q then P, and symbolically we will be writing Q implies P. Okay. So this is the converse, just to make a change antecedent to consequent. Now here in the truth table, now we are having P, Q, now first was condition, that was P implies Q. Now in P implies Q we were having true, false, true and true. This we have already done it. Now what will happen if we are changing Q then P? First Q then P. Now we have to take first this part, first Q then P. Now what we can write it? Just look here. Q and P. Now Q and P, what is Q? We have to note this down, true, false, false. Here it is true, true, false and false. Now what Q implies P will be? Both are true, true. Now first one is false and then it is true, false and true, it is true. So this will be true. True and false is false, so this will be false, and both are false, this will be true. Okay. So we can fill it with, now Q implies P, this will be true, true, false and true. If we are just changing it, then there will be a changes in the truth table also. Okay. So now let us go with an example. If the animals give birth to their babies, then it is a mammal. Okay. Now basic thing is that this means P implies Q, one thing. Now converse will be Q implies P. Now what we can write here? We can write if the animal is a mammal, then they can give birth to their babies. Okay, so this is about the